The Unicraft LED Construction Spotlight LBS 13503 AC is the perfectly suited solution when extensive construction work areas need to be brightly illuminated evenly and reliably. The construction spotlight can be completely folded up and stored away to save space. With a weight of only around 8 kilograms, it is particularly easy to transport. 3 exceptionally robust feet ensure a stable and secure stand, even on uneven ground. The integrated tripod is fully and continuously adjustable in height, reaching a maximum height of up to 2.2 meters. With true 360-degree lighting, it ensures optimal visibility on the construction site and in the workshop. Several LED spotlights together ensure full-surface illumination of the work area. Each spotlight can be aligned individually so that the light position can be adapted exactly to the respective work situation. Each spotlight has 4 brightness levels: 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%. This allows the light output to be flexibly regulated while saving energy at the same time. Thanks to Protection Class IP54, the construction spotlight is ideally suited for tough everyday construction site use. The Unicraft LED Construction Spotlight LBS 13503 AC combines flexible 360-degree lighting with high mobility and stable construction. A well-thought-out lighting solution for professional use.